Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Lucy. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Lucy, school starts tomorrow.
Really? I am excited.
We need some new things.
Let's go shopping.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mom. What are we eating?
Eggs and toast.
Yummy.
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. This toast is delicious. I like milk. Eat your eggs too. Okay, Mom. Breakfast makes us strong. That's right.
Where are we going?
To the school store.
Yay! I want a new bag.
Me too. These notebooks are nice. And these crayons are colorful. Do you need an eraser? Yes, please. Wow! Look at this backpack.
It is very pretty.
I like pink.
I need some pencils.
Hello, kids. Hello. We are ready for school. Have a wonderful day.
I am happy.
Me too.
Tomorrow will be fun.
Yes, I can't wait.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Emma.
Hello, Lucy.
Hello, Jack?
I like your new backpack. Thank you. Wow, we are at school.
Yes, today is the first day.
I feel happy.
Me too.
Let's go to class. Okay. Come with us. The teacher is waiting.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to our class.
Thank you, teacher. We are happy to be here.
Please introduce yourselves. Hello, my name is Ben.
Hello, I am Lucy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let's learn the alphabet.
Okay.
A, B, C.
A, B, B, C. This is fun.
Look at this story.
The pictures are pretty. I like this book.
Me too. Let's sing a song.
Okay, I like music.
Me too.
La la la, la 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 la. Let's make something fun. I am making a flower. I am making a star. Very nice.
I am drawing a house.
I am drawing a flower.
Your picture is beautiful.
Thank you. Let's play together.
Great idea.
Catch the ball. Here it comes.
What do you have?
I have an apple. I have a sandwich. Everything looks yummy. I have an apple.
I have a sandwich.
I have some juice. Yummy. Ben, look at the apples.
They are fresh.
Can we buy some?
Sure.
I like bananas too.
Let's get some bananas.
Wow, ice cream.
Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Which flavor do you like?
Strawberry.
I like chocolate.
Thank you, Ben.
You're welcome.
Ben, we need some bread.
Yes, here is the bread.
Can we buy milk too?
Of course.
I like chocolate milk.
Let's get one.
Our basket is getting heavier.
We are almost done.
Wow, ice cream.
Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Which flavor do you like?
Strawberry.
I like chocolate.
Thank you, Ben.
You're welcome. Hello, kids.
Hello. We bought many things.
Everything looks fresh.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Ben, I am happy.
Me too.
Shopping was fun.
Yes, it was.
We bought many things.
Mom will be happy.
I can't wait to go home.
We are almost there.
Welcome home, children. Hi, Mom.
We are home.
Did you have fun?
Yes, we did.
Look at all the food.
Wonderful. Let's make dinner together.
Thank you for helping me. You're welcome, Mom. What are we cooking? We are making vegetable soup. I can wash the carrots.
I will wash the tomatoes.
Cooking is fun.
The carrots look nice. I like broccoli.
Vegetables are healthy.
They make us strong. I am hungry.
Dinner is almost ready.
Dinner is ready. Wow, it smells delicious.
I am hungry.
Please wash your hands first.
Okay, Mom.
Let's eat together.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm glad you like it.